Showing homes that don't fit your buyer's budget or loan product options can be inconvenient, time-consuming, and could leave you one step behind on the contract offer process. PreApprovalLetter.com gives you live access to your buyer's qualifying data, know exactly how much home they qualify for, and which loan options best suits their budget, from your PC, phone, or tablet. Simply register your buyer and our secure automated system will analyze them using rules and guidelines mandated by banks and mortgage lenders. We utilize current interest rate pricing conditions, live MLS data, and a tri-merged credit report to give you the most accurate buyer assessment on the market. Now, cross-reference any MLS number with your buyer's PAL number to confirm that they qualify for multiple homes instantly. Ready to place an offer requiring a pre-approval letter? Pre-approval letters are now just a click away. And PreApprovalLetter.com will always keep you connected with your buyer. Register for free today and know their buying power.